Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn Be a Friend. Be a Friend, it is a poem. This is the first poem in Macmillan textbook. Okay. 5th standard book, English Fairy. Now we are going to learn the poem Be a Friend. Means we have to be a friend of someone. If those are helping you, those that love you, care you, so you should have to be friend with them. Okay, students? Be a Friend, this poem is written by Edgar Albert Guest. He is the writer of this poem, Edgar Albert Guest. He was born 1881 and died 1959. Edgar Albert Guest was an American poet who came to be known as the people's poet. And Edgar Albert is an American poet and he is known. He is known means here famous for the people's poet. People's poet means he was the famous for people poet. Those peoples are means the poet like the people's nature, and people's is the he is famous for the people's poet. Means he is written about people's natures, how they behave, how they survive in this world. This is the meaning of people's poet. He wrote sentimental, means people's poet means how he wrote about the people. What about the people's poet or people's? What is the subject of people's? He wrote sentimental, means sentimental means here feeling. He wrote about the people's feeling. Optimistic, how the peoples are positively survive in the world. Optimistic poems, positive poems about everyday life. Did you understand? So the Edgar Albert Guest write about the people's poet means he write about the people's feeling and their positive views during the day-to-day life. Did you understand, students? Let us see the poem. First of all, we are moving forward. Let us see the warm-up. Imagine that you and your friend have had an argument. Argument means here both friends are discussing and that in between you are argue. No, I am correct. You are telling, I think you are not correct, or that type of discussion or that type of argument you are doing, both of them. Then have an argument in between. Your friend is very upset. When both of you are argument, during that time your friend is getting upset. Later in the day, after that, you realize that it was actually your fault. It is your fault, but you did not accept, or maybe you will not realize. After some day, you realize you are wrong. Your friend is correct. He is telling, when he was arguing, he was giving suggestion or guiding you, but you was not listening at that time. So your friend is getting disturbed of your argument. What will you do? Then what you will do? Let us see this poem. How the friendship between two friends. What is the duties of between two friends? How should you behave with your friends? Let us see the poem. I'm going to read the poem with explanation. Let us read a poem where the poet talks about ways to become a good friend. Let us talk about. Poet is going to talk and discuss about ways how to become a good friend. Means how to become your good friend of someone. Be a friend. You don't need money. If you want to become a friend of someone, you did not need money. You will not get the friendship anywhere, or you will not get. You can't buy the friendship in any market. You will not. Okay. Just a disposition, sunny. Disposition means nature. Just you have to behave like a sunny. Sunny means sun. You should have your nature like a sun. How the sun is give the brightness every day without hesitation. Is it? He is giving everything to everyone. He is giving brightness, heat, sun, light, everything he is giving. Did you understand? Just like you behave like the sun. Just the wish to help another. You just wish to help another. You have to help your friend or anyone. Just help. Get along some way or other. You will get time to do. Or someone has to get time to think about it. Just a kindly hand extended. Extended means you have to offer your help. Hand means here you have to offer your help to your friend. Kindly show your help. Show kindness. Help him. Out to one who is unbefriended. Out to one who is unbefriended. Just unbefriended means who is someone who has no friends. Means you have to extend your hand, show kindness to whom? Those don't have friend. Just the will to give or lend. You have to just give him or lend or grant him. Help him. This will make you someone's friend. If you are helping those don't have friend, if you help them, they will become your friend. Do you understand, children? This first stanza. See the next stanza. Be a friend. You don't need glory. Be a friend. You have to become a friend of someone. You don't need glory. No need to become famous. Glory means here famous. Friendship is a simple story. Friendship, it is a simple story. Pass by trifling errors blindly. Errors means mistake. Trifling means you have to avoid his mistake. Your friends. Trifling means avoid. Give the unimportant to your friends' errors, friends' mistakes. You should be blind during his mistakes. Gaze on the honest effort kindly. You have to look at